Welcome to Biology, the scientific study of life. Elite animal athletes. For some animals such as long-distance runners and migratory birds and mammals, the oxygen demands of daily activities would overwhelm the capacity of a typical respiratory system. Other animals such as diving mammals are capable of being active underwater of extended periods without breathing. What evolutionary adaptations enable these animals to perform such feats? The ultimate endurance runner. The elite animal marathon runner may be the bronghorn, an antelope-like mammal native to the grasslands of North America, where it has roamed for more than 4 million years. Bronghorns are capable of running as fast as 100 km each hour, though their top speed does not reach that of the cheetah. Bronghorns can sustain high speeds over long distances and have been timed sprinting 11 km in 10 minutes, maintaining an average speed of 65 km each hour. Stanley Lindstedt and his colleagues at the University of Wyoming and University of Bern were curious about how bronghorns sustain their combination of great speed and endurance through enhancement of normal physiological mechanisms that supply increased oxygen to muscles or through greater energetic efficiency. The researchers exercised bronghorns on a treadmill to estimate their maximum rate of oxygen consumption and discovered something surprising. Bronghorns consume oxygen at 3 times the rate predicted for an animal of their size. Normally, as animals increased in size, the rate of oxygen consumption per gram declines. 1 gram of shrew tissue, for example, consumes as much as oxygen in a day as a gram of elephant tissue consumes in an entire month. But Lindstedt and his colleagues discovered that the rate of oxygen consumption per gram of tissue by a bronghorn was the same as that of 10 gram mouse. To establish more appropriate perspective on bronghorn performance, the research team compared various physiological characteristics of bronghorns with those of similar-sized domestic goats, as shown in this figure, which are adapted to climbing rather than running. They found that the maximum rate of oxygen consumption by bronghorns is 5 times that of goats. Why? Bronghorns have the larger surface area for oxygen diffusion in the lungs, nearly 5 times the cardiac output, much higher muscle mass, and a higher volume and density of mitochondria than goats. In addition, bronghorns maintain higher muscle temperature. The researchers concluded that the bronghorns' extreme oxygen consumption rate, which underlies their ability to run at high speed over long distances, result from enhancements of the normal physiological mechanisms present in other mammals. We can see in these enhancements the results of natural selection, perhaps exerted by the predators that have chased bronghorns across the open plains of North America for millions of years. Diving mammals. The majority of animals can exchange gases continuously, but sometimes there is no access to the normal respiratory medium. For example, when an air breath swims underwater, whereas most humans, even well-trained divers, cannot hold their breath longer than 2 or 3 minutes or swim deeper than 20 meters. The Weddell Seal Antarctic